Hello and welcome to Goldtide IAS Academy. Today we will discuss 5 important daily quiz questions of Goldtide IAS Academy, which are very important, relevant and challenging for your UPSC prelim examination preparation. So here our question number 1. Consider the following statement. First, India maintained trade surplus with United States of America. So what is trade surplus? So here we are exporting more quantity in term of value than we are importing it. Now, second statement. United States of America share in India's total trade is more than 35%. Third, India's export to United States of America has decreased drastically in last 3 years. So here we will have to find out which of the above statement is our correct one. We have option A 1 and 2, B 3 only, C 1 and 3 and D 1 only. So here our first statement that is correct one. Why? Because except United States of America, we have trade deficit with major trading partner. With United States of America, we have trade surplus. Hence our first statement that is correct one. Now let me have a look into explanation. So here we have taken data from Ministry of Commerce site. So this is data of export from India to United States of America. So over last 4 year we can see that our export from India to United States of America has gradually increased. And so our third statement that is incorrect one, which says that our export from India to United States of America gradually declined over last 3 years. Now if we discuss about the import, then here we can see that this is data of import from United States of America. So except last year our import from United States of America was gradually increasing, but in the last year due to coronavirus lockdown and restriction on export and import, our import from United States of America was declined. And now if we discuss about the total percentage of trade relation with United States of America, then it is approximately 11 to 12 percentage, right? And so our second statement that is also incorrect one, which says that United States of America's share in India's total trade is more than 35 percentage, which is incorrect one, because it is approximately 11 to 12 percentage. Hence we can say our final answer for this question will be D, that is 1 only. Now let me have a look into question number 2. Question 2. Consider the following pair. So here on one side we have reports and on a second side it's publisher and compiled by. So first pair, Climate Change 2021, the Physical Science, it was published by IPCC Secretariat. Second pair says that United in Science 2021, it was published or compiled by World Meteorological Organization. So here we will have to find out which of the above pair is our correct one. We have option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2 is our correct one. So here our final answer for this question will be C, that is both of pair is our correct one. If we discuss about the IPCC, then IPCC was established in 1988 by World Meteorological Organization and UNEP. So it provides the scientific data so that we can frame inclusive and sustainable climate related policy. Now here we have World Meteorological Organization. So it is a United Nations specialized agency, right? So our final answer for this question will be C, that is both of pair is our correct one. Now let me have a look into question number 3. So question 3, Thay chili and Tamlong orange recently granted GI tags belongs to A. Nagaland, B. Tripura, C. Manipur, D. Sikkim. So our final answer for this question will be C, because both of these belongs to Manipur. If you wanted to have a look into picture, then here we can see that this is our Hatay chili and this is our Tamlong orange, right? So our final answer for this question will be C, that is Manipur. Question 4. Which of the following is largest island in terms of area in Asia? First, Sumatra. Second, Honshu. Third, Java. Fourth, Borneo. Now, if we discuss about the largest island in terms of area in world, then first number will goes to Greenland. Second number will goes to New Guinea. And if we discuss about the Asia, then Borneo will rank first. Then we have Sumatra. Then we have Java, right? So our final answer for this question will be D, that is Borneo. Borneo is largest island in terms of area in Asia. Now question number 5. Question 5. Consider the following statement. First, Constitution provide provision for disqualification of member of Rajya Sabha. Second, if candidate is elected from both house of the parliament and state legislature, and if he doesn't resign from one of the seat within prescribed time, then seat in parliament will become vacant. So here we will have to find out which of the above statement is our correct one. We have option A 1 only, B 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2 is our correct one. Here our first statement, that is correct one, because member of either house of the parliament shall be disqualified under article 102 if he hold any office of the profit, if he is unsound in mind and stands or declared by competent court, and third condition is that if he is undischarged insolvent, fourth if he is not citizen of India, and fifth if he is so disqualified by or under any law made by parliament. And so our first statement, that is correct one. Now our second statement is correct or not, you guys will comment below in comment box. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yes, let me remind you that we have already launched UPSC prelim test series for 2022. So if you are interested to join it, then please do visit our website, right? So this is all for today. Thank you, see you soon in next video.